beauties, so we're going to be continuing our series on how to earn money on YouTube in Nigeria. So I'm going to be telling you guys the fastest growing profitable niches currently, the ones that I didn't mention in that other video. If you haven't watched it, run and scoot along and go and watch that video. So the first one I'm going to be talking about that I failed to mention before is fragrance niche. If you know high notes, low notes, middle notes, perfumes, and you are into that space, that is a niche that is doing really well. Okay, and if you are not, anyway, it's a niche that is doing very well, because what I want to say, I'm going to say it in another video, so let's leave it. Then the second one is this one. Look, don't say it's not what I told you, sha, but let me just sha tell you, is the spirituality niche. If you are in that space, and when I mean spirituality, I'm not just talking about Christian or those people that will tell you how to use onions, that they will tell you how to use time, all those things is really moving. And so from what I'm hearing, I hear that those people are packing money. They are packing money on this YouTube. So that's a place that is moving. Don't joke, don't joke with this thing that I'm telling you. So I was having a conversation with someone, and she was saying that some of the people that are even doing that, it's not like maybe they are gifted or they are even into those things, but because of the money that and those places, those people have very high CPM, trust me. So because of that, they took head inside. So yeah, the next one is reaction videos. Yes, so reaction videos. Have you seen that your favorites, they've potted? They're not doing lifestyle like before, because I'm going to do another video about lifestyle video. Hey, you guys, follow this channel. Hey, you hear gist. Okay, so reaction videos, because look, anything that is trending, okay, there are advantages and there are disadvantages. Anything that is trending, people want to know. There's always like high competition and all of that, high traffic to trending videos, so you will have a lot of views, okay, if you know how to do it, okay, because it's not everybody that will have a lot of views because of some other reasons, okay, but the likelihood of you growing faster is higher. So if you're somebody that likes to gist, you know how to talk, you as in people like say you know how to gist, you know how to talk, don't be shy. Don't think that, oh, what will people say? Oh, people, you will grow very fast, okay? And yeah, and reaction videos is broad. You could do celebrity reaction videos, you could do popular TV shows reaction videos, you could do YouTubers reaction videos, like that. You could do fashion, like there's a lot that can be done with reaction videos, okay. Yeah, then the next one is fashion roasting. I know in that last one that I did, I was talking about the fashion niche, right? Now fashion is broad. There are people who do tailor fashion tutorials and all of that. There's fashion roasting. Have you guys seen Kelechi Chantel Ayan, how her channel is blowing up in that niche? Now you see, not a lot of people are doing it, so you don't have, especially in the Nigerian context, you don't have a lot of competition. So when there's a new show, when there's a new movie, there are always going to be celebrities taking pictures. So if you're a fashion person and you understand fashion, you know how to put things together, you can start a fashion roasting channel, okay, and get your coins, get your coins, get your coins, get your coins, get your coins. Okay, so yeah, fashion roasting is also a highly profitable area. The next one I'm going to talk about, I don't see a lot of Nigerians doing it, and I'm wondering why, is online games. If you're somebody that plays a lot of games, right, you play games on your phones, look, this area that I'm telling you is a money spinner, because you will have a lot of gaming companies wanting to put adverts on your channel for free. So it's not a lot. You just need to the game that you are playing. Anyway, let me not tell you how to go about. If you are interested, let me tell you now. You guys, you can sign up for the Yes to YouTube membership. Yay! You can join the membership every month. You just pay very chicken money for access to experts in online business, doing online business, okay, and different experts will be coming every month for different master classes that is just beyond YouTube, not just YouTube, okay. So if you are interested in joining the membership, check the description box, okay. For the very first 50 people that we join, you can join at 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira. After 50 people have joined, the price will increase, okay. So yeah, so it's going to be in the description box to join the Yes to YouTube membership. All right, so yeah, when you join, all the secrets I tell you. All right, anyway, so you can start doing online games. All right, then the next one I'm going to tell you about, I don't even know if I should tell you guys. Should I tell you? Should I? Okay, I'll tell you. The next one is cleaning and organization. Now, I don't see a lot of Nigerian channels doing this, but you can take this for free. If you are somebody that you have OCD, like you like everywhere sparkling, cleaning, you can start a cleaning channel and it will move. You just need to be consistent and stay with it, right? You will definitely get your audience, because I like those type of videos, okay. So yeah, and the final one, the love, the one that I like but I'm not doing anymore, is gardening videos. You guys, it's so underrated, but it is a money spinner. It is a money spinner. I'm going to do a video on RPM and CPM of video ideas that people don't rate, but it brings money. I don't even know if that video is going to be for my members. I'm not even going to make it public. Because these are things that I've done, that I've seen. Look, see, this YouTube, that just time we go chop the money. Time. When our time reach, we go chop the money. But yeah, gardening, if you are someone that loves plants, there's a way to do it, right? It's not just to say, I'm in my garden, I'm doing it. There's a way to do it, but it is a very, very profitable niche that is growing fast. Then the final one, final is crime stories. You guys, there are some people that love to watch crime. They just like to see criminals, how this person killed this person, how this one disappeared this person, how this one did this one. I don't know what they see in all those type of things, but obviously you people like to watch it. I don't know, there's a audience. People like to see how somebody killed their husband, how this one. You people are weird on this internet. Oh my god, people are so weird. But look, pack your money. If that's what you like, I'm not gonna judge you, okay. So crime